have chicken, I have sausage, and I have beer. Gawin nating napaka-delicious ang ulam nyo. At sigurado ako, magugustuhan ito ng buong pamilya. Ituturo ko sa inyo ang paggawa ng chicken and sausage beer stew. Ako nga pala, si Liana Tan Arcenas, for Food Swings. Una natin gagawin ay ipop dry ang ating Magnolia free-range chicken. Freedom is good. Gumagamit lang ng paper towel to pop dry it. And kasi meron siyang excess moisture. Next ay lalagyan natin ng salt and pepper. I-rub natin para may lasa yung chicken. Pagkatapos, lagay natin yung flour sa plate. So, I think that's enough first. Tapos, i-dredge natin yung chicken. So, I'm using gloves para hindi sa kamay ko dumikit yung flour. This is about 14 pieces of Magnolia free-range chicken. Very malasa to kasi exercised yung chicken, freely roaming. Kaya nga freedom is good, diba? With Magnolia free-range chicken. Actually, perfect ang Magnolia free-range chicken. Perfect for mga soupy dishes, mga stew type na dishes. That is what I am teaching you today, isang stew dish. Using this, combining with sausage, potatoes, at saka beer. One technique of flouring chicken is to put flour in a bag, na Ziploc. Tapos, lagyan mo ng flour doon, meron kang partial flour, and then i-shake mo siya, seal and shake. And then you just add a little bit more of flour. Yan, one way. Pero tayo sa traditional, yung nilalagay, sinasawsaw sa plato. I-sauté natin in 2 tablespoons oil. Ang ating PUREFOODS Deli Cheese Franks, taste the world in every bite. If you want some heat in your chicken and sausage beer stew, pwede kang sumubok ng ibang PUREFOODS Deli variants. Tulad ng yung Hungarian cheese sausage, pwede rin yung shublig at saka yung bockwurst. Or the other frank variants naman. Meron German franks, meron beef franks with Angus. Okay, we'll just saute this until maluto siya, tsaka mag-impart na siya ng flavor. And then we'll take it out of the pan. Sarap-sarap na nito. Actually, yung sausage lakas makapanglasa ng ulam eh. Kaya itong dish na to, lalo na it has beer, which also contributes flavor. Pag yung mag-day after pa yan, ay ang sarap. Okay. Next is I'm gonna put in the remaining oil. And then we're gonna fry the chicken. We'll fry the chicken in batches para hindi bumagsak yung temperature ng ating oil. We will now saute our onions. So, hindi kayo magpapalit ng pan. It's the same pan. I-saute yung onions. Now, when you store pala yung onions, ihiwalay nyo sa storage ng potatoes. Kasi pag pinagtabi nyo yan, nagkakaroon sila ng exchange of gases. So, tumutubo sila yung bawat isa. So, masisira yung onion and potato nyo. And best to store them in a cool, dark, and dry place. Okay, now I'm ready to add the chicken stock. Ang ating beer. So, 1 can of beer. And ang ating mustard. And we'll put back our chicken na brinown na natin. Isin na natin ng maganda. So, hindi pa luto yung chicken ha, kaya medyo bloody pa yan eh. Meron pa naman tayong simmering na magaganap. You know, if you cook this dish na mas maaga, kunyari a few hours before, mas magbe-blend yung flavors niyan. And kung napansin nyo, wala ako sa recipe na pang-thicken. Kasi since may flour na siya nakakoat, magti-thicken na yan on its own. Slightly lang naman, hindi naman very thick. And then I'll put back yung sausages. Ooh, yan ang magpapasarap. Ang PUREFOODS Deli Cheese Franks. With, of course, ang Magnolia free-range chicken natin. Freedom is good. And we will cover and simmer this for 30 minutes or until cooked through na ang ating chicken. So, babalikan natin yan in a while. So, after 30 minutes, ilagay na natin ang ating potatoes. Ganda-ganda siya, oh. Nakakaaya. So, we'll cook the potatoes until tender na siya. So that will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Alam nyo, pwede kayo mag-add ng carrots if you want more color sa dish at saka mga whole mushrooms. Yan, whole or slice is fine. The potatoes are tender. It has been 10 minutes. And now we'll add our dried thyme, which will also contribute to that nice flavor. Merong earthy note ng konti. But it's really good. It complements well with chicken. Then half ng ating parsley. So yung kalahati, we will use it to decorate. Ang ganda, di ba? Kasi it really adds color and flavor. Gentle mixing lang. There, we're ready to plate. I'm done arranging the chicken and sausage in a very nice platter. Nag-iwan ako kanina ng kalahati ng ating parsley. So gagamitin ko siya pang garnish sa chicken. There you have it! Isang napaka-delicious na chicken and sausage beer stew recipe ang inyong natutunan. So I do hope you will try this recipe this week. Huwag na mag-intay ng weekend. So sa susunod nating pagkikita mga ka-home foodies, ako si Liana Tan Arsenas for Food Swings. For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, hindi lang nakakatakam, but siguradong madelicious!